Number 8 says, an IV of 500 mLs is ordered to infuse in 3 hours using a 20 GTT per milliliter set. After 1 hour, you find 200 milliliters left in the bag. Part A, find the original rate, and then Part B, find the new rate. So let's look at the original rate. It's 500 mLs, ordered to infuse in 3 hours, which is 180 minutes, using a 20 GT per ml set. So I'm going to take 500 times 20 divided by 180, and then rounding to the nearest whole number, we get 56 GTT per minute. So that's the original rate. Now for the new rate, it says after 1 hour you find 200 mLs left in the bag. So this is 200 mLs left in the bag. Okay, so I still use the formula to find my new rate, and I'm not changing my IV machine. I'm still using the same machine. So I'm still using the same tubing. So the 20 stays the same. And we need to remember that this is going to be the time left, and this is the amount left in the bag. So we need to be careful because sometimes we need to subtract and sometimes it just tells us directly. So looking up here, it says 200 mLs are left in the bag. So I don't need to subtract that 200, they're just directly telling us that 200 are left. So the 200 can just go right there. Now, as for the time, it says after 1 hour. So 1 hour has passed, and 3 hours was the original time. So I do need to subtract that. So 3 minus 1 is 2 hours, and then 2 times 60 is 120. So there's 120 minutes left. So 200 times 20 divided by 120, and our new rate is 33 GTT per minute.